To get started, take all but 2 of your threads and attach them to the board. Because my 2 threads in the centre are the same colour, I'm using this thread doubled up to work over the threads attached to the board. To add the centre colour, match the ends and run it through your fingers to find the centre. Lay the loop over the threads on the board and then push it under the threads and then pull the tail ends through the loop to fasten it to the rest of the threads. Next, you want to take one of the threads from this section and do a half hitch knot. So you want to take the thread and then put it over the top of the other ones attached to the board and then pull through. But you only want to do the first half of the hitch knot, you don't want to complete it, and then put it to the one side with the colours that you've just attached. And then do this with all the remaining threads until there's only one left. Then you want to repeat these steps at the other side. Once you've done this part, you want to take the threads that you haven't knotted and form a circle. Then take the thread that you left free and repeat the step you did with the centre thread. Next, you can reattach to the board if you're using one, and then do as many hitch knots as you need to create your loop. The amount you need will depend on the overall amount of threads you've used and also how big you want your loop to be. I used as many hitch knots as I had threads, but again, it's down to personal preference and how big you want your loop to be. So to do the hitch knot for your loop, you just want to take the thread that you added over the 2 threads that you added it to and then pull through. And then to complete, you want to run it under and then pull through. And just keep doing this until you've got the loop to the size that you want it to be. Lastly, you can remove it from the board and then take your 2 threads that are coming out of the loop and just gently pull on them to close the loop up to the rest of the threads.